XOM stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end, find out. So I've been looking at Exxon Mobil stock. This thing crashed in just a two-day span period, and it absolutely tanked the idea and the trade that I got, hitting a break-even spot. I've been making videos for 4.5 years like this every single day, have more videos than everyone else in the space, and have more proof than anyone else with 39,000 videos all documented. XOM. I mean, you can clearly see that I had some previous links here in drawings where I was just looking to take things up. And not only did it all that deliver, but I also do have the proof to back my claims up with these links here, right? If I show you this video, you will see that here's the demonstration. At the time, this was sitting at $102. It's aiming for 120, right? A year ago, 3rd of February 2024. And since then, now we're here. I also wanted to milk this thing up, but unfortunately, in the last 2 days, we just crashed. Break even has been hit. So actually, just there's a lot of liquidity here. So yeah, tomorrow there's like no doubt in my head that this is gonna clear the lows out. And maybe then, if I see a shift, I'm gonna look to take it up. Other than that, it's all noise. So I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.